Amazing animal endurance.
Some animals can travel vast distances, survive extreme conditions, and keep moving far longer than any human. Endurance champions in the animal kingdom fascinate scientists and nature lovers alike. Let's explore the animals that never seem to tire and discover the remarkable biology that empowers their endless stamina.
Arctic tern, the ultimate world traveler.
The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest annual migration of any animal. These small birds fly up to 44,000 miles every year, migrating from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back. This incredible journey is possible thanks to their lightweight bodies, efficient wings, and special energy-storing behaviors.
Pronghorn antelope, speed and stamina.
Pronghorns can run at high speeds, close to 55 miles per hour, for miles without stopping. Unlike cheetahs who tire quickly, pronghorns are champions of endurance. Their large lungs and hearts, along with exceptional oxygen delivery in their muscles, help them maintain prolonged chases on the open plains.
Bar-headed goose, masters of high altitude.
Bar-headed geese are famous for flying over the Himalayas, reaching heights where oxygen levels drop to a fraction of those at sea level. Their muscle cells are packed with mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, enabling them to make efficient use of scarce oxygen during these epic flights.
Humpback whale, oceanic long-distance swimmer.
Humpback whales travel more than 5,000 miles during their annual migration between feeding and breeding grounds. These epic journeys are powered by fat reserves, slow-twitch muscle fibers for endurance, and adaptations that maximize energy use underwater. They remain active for months, rarely stopping to rest.
What makes endurance possible?
Endurance in these animals comes from a combination of special traits: efficient energy metabolism, strong muscles, and sometimes even unique proteins in their blood. By understanding these adaptations, scientists hope to unlock new ways to improve human endurance and appreciate the limits of biology.